Hi, this is Josiah Owen, and today we're going to be talking about making pot roast. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and talk about preparing our carrots for our stew. We need 4 medium carrots here. We're going to start off by chopping off the ends and then discarding those and turning them around and doing the same for the other end, because we don't want that. Put the knife to the side. We'll go ahead and come back and take off the skin. Just any kind of peeler will do. Or if you don't have a peeler and you think you can handle it with a small paring knife. The idea is to get as minimal or the most amount of skin off without taking away from the carrot. Let's put that to the side. Do the same exact thing for the other 3. And do your last one. And if you want to go back and check your carrots to make sure all the peel is off, you can do that.